so today I'll be doing another review for Hair Plus Korean Hair Salon. So during my first appointment with them last month, I did a hair color as well as their Korean hair treatment, but due to the lack of proper hair care at home as well as the fact that my hair was bleached and badly damaged, I was scheduled for another hair treatment. This time around, I get to try out their Cinderella Protein Care, which is one of the more popular hair treatments that they offer. The Cinderella Protein Care is an organic hair treatment from Korea that does not contain any chemicals and harsh cosmetic preservatives, which makes it really safe and easy to use on all hair types. It is recommended for hair that has been damaged by bleach, prolonged sun exposure, excessive heat styling, as well as chemicals. So the main purpose of this treatment is to replenish any lost protein in our hair, resulting in smoother, softer, and healthier hair. If you have frizzy hair like I do, this treatment will also naturally straighten it out for a healthier finish. In Korea, this treatment will be able to last you for up to 4 months, but since the weather here in Singapore is a lot more humid, this treatment will be able to last you for a month, which is still pretty long compared to other ordinary treatments. So the Cinderella Protein Care consists of 3 different steps. So the very first step is to use the clarifying shampoo to exfoliate our scalp as well to purify our hair by removing any toxin, excess styling products, as well as mineral buildup. At the same time, it also adds volume and provides vitamin and protein to our hair. Moving on to the second step, which is the protein treatment. This treatment is formulated to restore and straighten extremely thick, frizzy, and damaged hair. It also contains aloe vera to strengthen, jojoba oil to moisturize, and green tea to promote hair growth. I was really amazed as after the treatment was applied to my hair, I can immediately see my hair become a lot smoother and much more manageable. I also enjoyed the light floral-like fragrance of the treatment, which made the treatment process a lot more pleasant. After which, my hair was slightly blow-dried and my hairstylist Jane used a straightener to further press all the products into my hair for a longer-lasting effect. The final step is the organic hair cuticle sealer. This sealer is a natural crystal shield that protects our hair structure and enhances shine and softness. And of course, it helps to seal in all the goodness in your hair to ensure an even longer lasting effect. After the treatment is done, my hair definitely looked a lot more manageable and it felt super soft and smooth. Jane also did a simple Korean C-curve style to my hair to complete the makeover. This is currently one of my favorite hair treatments so far, as I really like how it is natural and non-greasy at all. Right now, it has been about a week since the hair treatment and I've washed my hair for about 4 times and my hair is still a lot more manageable than before. I feel like the results are really obvious because I noticed that there are less flyaways and my hair is definitely a lot less frizzier than before, and in general my hair just feels really soft and smooth. Because my hair now is so much more manageable, it makes styling my hair even more easier as well. So if you have damaged or frizzy hair that is hard to maintain, I highly recommend you to try out the Cinderella Protein Care treatment. You should call them and book an appointment. And with that said, we've come to the end of this video. Once again, I hope you guys enjoy watching and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye!